Presenting the 2011 BMW 3 Series 328i. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include passenger illuminated visor mirror, AM/FM stereo, HID headlights, rear-wheel drive, CD player, leather steering wheel audio controls, and driver illuminated vanity mirror. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.